Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of PERT. Question is given as a father notes that his daughter uses the telephone. She takes no less than 5 minutes for a call and sometimes as much as an hour. It means that the optimistic and pessimistic time is given, that is 5 and 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Now 15 minutes call are more frequent than calls of any other duration. It means that the most likely time is given as 15 minutes. If daughter call were an activity in PERT project, what would be the phone call's expected duration? It means that we have to calculate the activity time. Here the activity is the daughter's call. What estimate would you give for its variance, as well as in scheduling the project, how much time would you allocate for the phone call? Now we will solve this question. We have the optimistic time equals to 5 minutes. We have the most likely time equals to 15 minutes. And we have the pessimistic time equals to 60 minutes. Now we can calculate the activity time. That is our first question. So it will be equals to T naught plus 4 Tm plus Tp by 6. On putting the value of T naught, Tm and Tp here, that is 5 plus 4 into 15 plus 60 divided by 6. On solving this, we will have the activity time as 20.833 minute. That will be the expected duration of the phone call. Now the second question will be, we have to calculate the variance here, that is sigma square, and we know the formula of sigma square. It will be equals to Tp minus T naught by 6 whole square. Now here the value of Tp is given as 60 minutes and T naught is given as 5 minutes divided by 6 whole square. On solving this, we will have the variance equals to 84.028 minute square. That will be the variance. Now we have to allocate the time for this activity in scheduling the project. So it will be equals to 20.833 minute only, which is the expected mean time of the activity. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.